Mini egg cheesecake, a bite-sized trend you'll love. If you've been scrolling Pinterest lately, you've probably noticed that mini bakes are taking over. And one of the cutest, most delicious options is the mini egg cheesecake. Tiny in size but big on flavor, these creamy little cheesecakes are perfect for parties, holidays, or when you just want a bite-sized treat that feels special. They're easy to make, highly customizable, and honestly, they look as good as they taste. So whether you're a seasoned baker or someone who usually avoids recipes with more than 3 steps, this guide is for you. Let's break it down Barney style. Ingredients you'll need. Here's your simple shopping list. I've added exact measurements and a few brand suggestions to keep things foolproof. For the crust, 1 cup, 100 graham cracker crumbs or digestive biscuits if you're outside the US, 3 TBSP unsalted butter, melted 2 TBSP granulated sugar. For the cheesecake, filling 8 ounces, 225 cream cheese, softened, Philadelphia is classic, 1/3 cup, 65 granulated sugar, 1 large egg, room temperature 1/2 TSP vanilla extract, pure, not imitation. 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters, sour cream for the topping. 1/2 cup, 75 crushed mini chocolate eggs, Cadbury. Mini eggs are perfect. Optional, whipped cream for garnish. Step-by-step preparation 1. Get your tools ready. You'll need a muffin tin lined with cupcake liners. This makes removing the cheesecake super easy. 2. Make the crust. Mix graham cracker crumbs, melted butter, and sugar until it looks like damp sand. 3. Fill the liners. Spoon about 1 tablespoon of the crust mixture into each liner, pressing down firmly with the back of a spoon. 4. Chill briefly. Pop the tray in the fridge for 10 minutes while you make the filling. Baking instructions 1. Preheat oven 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius. 2. Mix the filling. Beat cream cheese and sugar together until smooth. Add egg, vanilla, and sour cream, mixing until just combined. Don't overbeat or you'll get cracks. 3. Fill the cups. Spoon the cheesecake mixture evenly into the prepared muffin liners, about 3/4 full. 4. Bake. Place in the oven for 18-20 minutes. The centers should still jiggle slightly when done. 5. Cool and chill. Let them cool completely at room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Overnight is best. Secret tip. To avoid cracks, place a small oven-safe dish of hot water on the rack below your cheesecakes while baking. It creates steam and keeps them silky smooth. Serving suggestions. When ready to serve, top each mini cheesecake with a dollop of whipped cream. Sprinkle crushed Cadbury mini eggs over the top for crunch and color. For an extra wow factor, place a whole mini egg in the center as a garnish. Pair these with a hot cup of coffee, a chilled latte, or even a fruity mocktail if you're serving them at a party. Additional tips and variations. Flavor boosters. Add lemon zest for a fresh twist, or swirl in a spoonful of Nutella before baking. Dietary swaps. Use gluten-free graham crackers for a GF version. Swap in dairy-free cream cheese and coconut cream to make it vegan-friendly. Make it festive. Change up the toppings with seasonal candies, peppermint bark at Christmas, candy corn at Halloween, etc. Wrap up. And there you have it. Mini egg cheesecakes that are as easy to make as they are fun to eat. These little desserts combine creamy cheesecake goodness with the crunch of chocolate eggs, making them an instant crowd pleaser. Fun fact: cheesecake has been around since ancient Greece. Yes, really, it was even served at the first Olympic Games. But this mini version proves that even classics can get a trendy, Pinterest-worthy makeover. So next time you're craving something sweet, skip the bakery run and whip up these adorable cheesecakes at home. Trust me, your friends and your Instagram feed will thank you.